Hello, Sophie Riley here, and today we're going to get through the four most important questions you need to answer so that you can improve your sales page. So let's dive right into it. The first question I want you to ask yourself is, what are they actually buying? We are so quick to want to name everything that's in our program, our offer. What are they actually buying? Let me put this into perspective. Let's say I buy a ticket, an airplane ticket, to go on a vacation. Now I'm in Canada and the winter has been horrible. Lots of rain, lots of ice, lots of snow, and seriously cold. So if I was to purchase an airline ticket to go down to Mexico, to Jamaica, to somewhere where it's beautiful, where it's warm, where I can chill by the beach, where I can walk up or swim up to the bar, that's my result. That's where I'm going, where I'm going to sit on the plane, how many hours the plane's going to be, what kind of nuts you're going to feed me. It's kind of irrelevant. So what are your customers actually buying? The second question I want you to ask yourself is, what feels wrong that other in your industries are doing? Like what is wrong? What is criminal? What is absolutely down to your core? You are against it. So weird question, but this is how you get to stand out in your sales page, because those things that you feel are criminal is most likely things that they've already tried. So stand out on your sales page by taking a stand against what you feel is wrong. Okay, the third question, what's the uncomfortable truth? A lot of sales pages are making it sound easy. You get in, and you realize that you have to do something silly like 10 hours of work to get to the goal that they're promising. So it's really important that you're there. That's how you build a trust, right? So you're really being truthful about that, and they're going to see that you are somebody to trust. You're going to be straightforward with them, and you're going to be someone that they're going to want to work with. Okay, last question, so that we can make your sales page stand out and sell out. What is one thing in your program that makes your entire price worth it? What is the one thing that is in your program? What is one thing that your students could achieve that makes the entire program worth it? Those are four very small questions you definitely need to answer, and obviously use those questions in your sales page. Use those in your sales page, in your marketing, on your social media. Use them everywhere. Happy launching!